Suboxone clinics in Kentucky that accept Medicaid. Opioid use disorder is a growing epidemic across the United States, including Kentucky. In response to this crisis, Suboxone treatment has become increasingly popular for individuals struggling with opioid addiction. In 2021, the Commonwealth of Kentucky released the Drug Overdose Report, indicating 2,250 Kentuckians died from drug overdoses. Those numbers will continue to increase if treatment options, such as Suboxone, are not addressed. Fortunately, help is available in Suboxone clinics across the state. These specialized clinics provide comprehensive care for individuals struggling with opioid use disorder, or OUD, with trained and certified medical professionals. Suboxone clinics in Kentucky provide medication-assisted therapy, or MAT, counseling services, psychiatric care if needed, recovery support programs, and other resources. For most people, however, access to treatment can be challenging. Cost, insurance coverage, and transportation can all be a barrier when it comes to seeking out treatment. But nobody deserves to have their recovery compromised due to a lack of resources. There are ways and programs to get the help you need. If you are someone living in Kentucky, many resources are available to assist with your recovery. This video will tackle if Suboxone clinics accept Medicaid and how you can find the right Kentucky Suboxone treatment to help you recover and achieve long-term sobriety. Suboxone is a medication used to treat OUD. It contains two active ingredients, buprenorphine and naloxone, which work together to reduce cravings and the risk of relapse while providing relief from withdrawal symptoms. It is only available by prescription and should be taken as directed by a certified Suboxone doctor. Suboxone is the most widely prescribed medication for treating OUD and is highly effective in helping those struggling with addiction gain control of their lives. Suboxone is not a cure-all, but a tool to help individuals manage their OUD and stay on the path to recovery. Combining Suboxone treatment with other forms of treatment, such as counseling, therapy, and family and friend support, is crucial to your recovery. This treatment plan should be tailored to the individual's unique needs, considering various factors such as medical history, lifestyle, and personal goals. With the help of an experienced healthcare provider, individuals can find the right treatment plan. Medication-assisted treatment, or MAT, is used in conjunction with counseling and other forms of support. It helps individuals struggling with opioid use disorder gain control over their addiction and reduce its effects on their lives. MAT typically includes medications like Suboxone to reduce cravings and withdrawal symptoms, as well as counseling and other forms of support to help individuals stay on the path of recovery. This treatment is highly effective in helping individuals struggling with opioid addiction regain control of their lives and move their recovery process in a positive direction. Patients undergoing MAT should be monitored closely by their healthcare provider to ensure that the treatment is working and to make any necessary adjustments. MAT typically includes regular visits with a doctor or other healthcare professional and routine testing for opioid use. Consistent adherence to their treatment plan makes relapse less likely, and individuals can gain control of their addiction. It is not easy to manage the cost of addiction treatment, but options are available to help offset costs. Medicaid covers various treatments for substance use disorders, and Suboxone is one of them. For those who qualify, Medicaid can provide coverage in all states for MAT, including Suboxone, as part of the Affordable Care Act. In addition to providing coverage for medication, Medicaid can also cover costs related to medical and behavioral health services such as counseling sessions, psychiatric care if needed, recovery support programs, and other resources. However, you must check in with your local Medicaid office to ensure you are eligible for coverage. It is a huge relief to know that resources are available to help individuals struggling with OUD navigate the financial aspect of treatment. With access to programs like Medicaid, those fighting addiction can get the help they need without worrying about how to pay for it. So if you are unsure of how to cover the cost of treatment, register for Medicaid and other resources to see if you qualify for assistance. Finding a Suboxone clinic that accepts Medicaid can be tricky, but with online research, you can find one in your area. Many certified clinics and providers in Kentucky offer MAT services, including Suboxone. At SuboxoneDoctor.com, you can access a directory of all the available clinics in Kentucky, including their locations, contact information, and services offered. Our directory also includes which clinics accept Medicaid, so you can quickly find the one that best suits your needs. You can even find ones that offer a sliding scale fee or accept private insurance. We have made it easy to find the right Suboxone clinic in Kentucky, so you can start getting the treatment you need as soon as possible. Suboxone doctors on our site are certified and experienced in treating opioid addiction, guaranteeing you can get the best care possible. So do not wait any longer. Start your search on our website. When choosing the right Suboxone clinic for you, you cannot just jump in with your eyes closed. You need to ensure the clinic you choose best suits your needs. Here are a few questions to ask when you call a Suboxone clinic that accepts Medicaid. What type of treatment do they provide? Do they offer MAT, and if so, which medications? Do they accept Medicaid and other forms of insurance? What is their policy on payment plans? How often do they have appointments available? Are there any additional services they offer, such as counseling, support groups, or psychiatric care? Do they have telehealth services in case you cannot make it? Asking the right questions can help you find the perfect Suboxone clinic in Kentucky and avoid potential issues. So feel free to ask as many questions as possible and get all the information you need before deciding. At SuboxoneDoctor.com, we understand that choosing the right doctor and clinic for your Kentucky Suboxone treatment is a big decision. That is why our directory of Kentucky Suboxone clinics makes it easy to find the perfect provider for you. We have done the research for you, and all you need to do is enter your zip code and insurance provider to get started. With access to quality treatment and resources like Medicaid, individuals struggling with opioid use disorder can get all the support they need to make a successful recovery. Do not wait any longer to start your journey toward healing. Find a Suboxone clinic in Kentucky today and start on the path to a healthier future.